When you master this 10 habits, nothing can break you. Stoic philosophy. There comes a moment in life when the world tests you, when everything crumbles and you stand at the edge, staring into the abyss. Most break, some beg, few endure, and the rarest among us, they remain unshaken. They are the ones who have mastered the habits that make them indestructible. Today we reveal 10 Stoic habits that, once mastered, will make you unbreakable. If you seek power over yourself, over your mind, then listen carefully, because what follows will transform you. Introduction. The ancient Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, were not men of soft words or comfortable philosophies. They embraced hardship, sought wisdom, and lived by unshakable principles. They understood something that most ignore. Control over the world is an illusion, but control over oneself is a choice. And in that choice lies power, the power to rise above suffering, to conquer fear, to remain steady in the face of chaos. Today we dive into the 10 habits that forge an unbreakable mind, habits that, once integrated, will make you immune to despair, defeat, and destruction. Pay close attention. These are not just lessons. These are the keys to an indomitable life. Habit 1. Master your response to adversity. Life is full of suffering, but how you respond to it defines your strength. Most people react to adversity with anger, frustration, or despair. The Stoics knew better. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The world will throw obstacles at you, but you control your perception. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "How can I grow from this?" A true Stoic does not let misfortune dictate their emotions. They see every challenge as training, an opportunity to build resilience. Next time hardship comes, pause. Observe your reaction. Then, instead of complaining, embrace it. See pain as the forge that shapes you. Once you master this, no adversity can break you. Habit 2. Embrace discomfort voluntarily. Comfort is a silent killer. It lulls you into weakness, making you fragile when hardship arrives. The Stoics understood this well. Seneca, one of Rome's wealthiest men, would sleep on the floor and eat the simplest food, not out of necessity but as training. He asked, "Is this the condition that I feared?" By embracing discomfort voluntarily, he stripped fear of its power. If you want to be unbreakable, stop avoiding discomfort. Take cold showers, fast, wake up early, push your body to its limits. Why? Because when you face hardship willingly, it loses its ability to control you. The next time life throws real suffering your way, you won't flinch. You will already be trained. You will not fear discomfort. You will welcome it. And in that, you will find strength. Habit 3. Cut attachment to outcomes. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Most of our pain comes from obsessing over things beyond our control. The Stoics warned against this. Epictetus said, "Don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish for them to happen as they do, and you will go on well." We cannot control the outcome, only our effort. A Stoic does not attach their happiness to success, wealth, or approval. They focus only on what they can do. The rest, they release it. Think about it. How many times have you been stressed about something that never happened? How often has disappointment crushed you because you clung to an outcome? Let go, give your best effort, and accept whatever follows. This is true freedom, and when you no longer depend on results for happiness, nothing can shake you. Habit 4. Master your emotions. Emotions are not the enemy. Losing control of them is. The weak are ruled by their emotions. Anger makes them lash out. Sadness makes them retreat. Fear makes them hesitate. A Stoic understands their emotions but refuses to be a slave to them. Seneca said, "Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power." The next time anger rises within you, do not react immediately. Observe it. Analyze it. Ask yourself, does this serve me? Most of the time, emotions are fleeting. If you do not act on them, they pass. The moment you master this, you gain an incredible advantage over the world. No insult, no betrayal, no event will control you. You will move through life with unwavering calm, and that, my friend, is true power. Habit 5. Practice negative visualization. Most people live in fear of loss. They cling desperately to what they have, dreading the day it's taken away. The Stoics embraced loss before it even happened. Marcus Aurelius would remind himself daily that his loved ones, his wealth, and even his own life were temporary. This was not to make him miserable, but to make him grateful. Think of yourself as dead, he wrote. You have lived your life. Now take what's left and live it properly. Imagine losing everything, your home, your family, your freedom. Now look around. You still have them. Do not wait for loss to teach you gratitude. Visualize it now and you will cherish life fully. And when loss does come, you will not be broken. You will be ready. Habit 6. Seek wisdom daily. A strong mind is built, not born. The great Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, did not become wise by accident. They studied, they wrote, they reflected. Wisdom is a shield against suffering. When you feed your mind daily with philosophy, history, and self-improvement, you arm yourself against the chaos of the world. Read a page, write a thought, challenge your beliefs. Most people fill their minds with distractions. A Stoic fills theirs with strength. If you do not sharpen your mind daily, it will dull. Choose wisely. Habit 7. Control your speech. Your words shape reality. Speak carelessly and you invite chaos. Speak with precision and you command respect. The Stoics practiced restraint in speech. Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we may listen more and talk less." The next time you're about to speak, pause. Ask yourself, is this necessary? Most words are not. A Stoic speaks with purpose, and when they do, people listen. Habit 8. Embrace solitude and reflection. In a world drowning in noise, true strength lies in silence. The Stoics knew that solitude is where wisdom is cultivated. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his Meditations, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." In solitude, you confront your thoughts, refine your values, and gain clarity. Most people fear being alone because it forces them to face themselves. But the Stoic welcomes it. Make time for stillness, walk alone, reflect, journal your thoughts. You will find strength in self-awareness, and when the world tries to shake you, you will stand firm. Habit 9. Live with purpose. A life without purpose is a life wasted. The Stoics believed that every action should align with virtue. Seneca asked, "Are you living as nature intended?" Identify your values, define your mission. Every day, act in accordance with it. A Stoic does not drift aimlessly, they move with intention. Find your purpose and commit to it fully. Habit 10. Accept death without fear. The ultimate Stoic test is to face death with dignity. Accepting mortality frees you from fear. Memento mori, remember you will die. But instead of despair, use it as fuel. Live each moment fully without regret. When you no longer fear death, you truly become unbreakable. Conclusion. In the end, true strength is not found in controlling the world, but in mastering oneself. The Stoics understood that adversity, discomfort, and even death are inevitable, but our response to them is within our power. By embracing discipline, wisdom, and purpose, we forge an unbreakable mind, one that remains steady in the face of chaos. These 10 habits are not just lessons, but a way of life, leading to ultimate freedom and resilience. Master them and nothing will ever break you.